Hi everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle MOOC 12. We are in week 3 in manager practice area and we want to explore something about blogs. As you know, blogs are links that give us information or link us directly to different parts of the course and help us communicate with each other more easily. And now I want to talk about one of the blogs called Poll in order to gather information about some activities and kind of survey. As you see here on the main page of the course, we've got this part. I suppose it's a poll. It's called Please Respond. Will you be joining the live online class on Saturday, May 19? We can answer yes or no and submit. It's written not anonymous, which means that they will know that who has answered yes, who has answered no. Okay, let's see how we can make one of these polls. The first thing, turning the editing off, then going to the list of blogs and find poll. Okay. Let's wait. Okay, now it's added. We can go to the setting, configure poll blog. And as I have already mentioned in my previous video tutorial, the configuration or configuring the blocks are different, partially different for each block based on its use. Now here you see we've got block settings where this block appears and on this page. The second and the third one are almost similar among all blocks, but the first one, the setting, is specific for any block. For example, we've got block title. Let's call it week 3, or let's call it course design. And poll name, we've got poll name. We can choose or we can we can just choose this one. We need to add some other. We can make changes. Next. Okay, here we've got 3 links. Create or edit the poll. We can work on an already existing poll or create a new one. Manage polls and view responses. We've got to do with these 3 parts. Let's go to create or edit poll. Okay, in this part we've got these tabs, configure blog that we had it. Now create or edit poll and manage polls and view responses. Okay, poll name. Now we can choose a poll name and we can make changes. Here I'm not gonna choose this one. I'm going to add another one. Collaborative course design. Question text. We've got here a kind of template. If the name was week 1, then you might be asked, did you enjoy week 3? Now let's make some changes. Are you ready to design your collaborative syllabus? Okay, maybe you want to just gather information and see how many the percentages of yes or no. So maybe you want to leave it anonymous and pick this one. Or maybe you want to know who has answered yes, who has answered no. Then it will not be anonymous if you do not, sorry, if you do not tick this one. Now I want to make it anonymous. Who are eligible users? All of the people on the course, just students or teachers? Well, let's say students. And next one, point count, it's 3. We've got we may have 3 options. Let's leave it as a 3. And here we've got option 1, option 2, option 3. Yes, a lot. Yes, I am ready. Yes, a little bit. No. No, I have to work on it. Okay, we should save changes and go to preview it. If we want to preview this one, we should go back to the course, but let's before that go to this part. Okay, manage poll. Poll name is here. Option count, I think it was 3. And responses, no responses yet. Action, we can preview it, so let's preview it. Yes, are you ready to design? The name is here. We can still make changes if we want in the name. And the answers are here. We've got 4. I think we should go back to edit this one because I don't want the 4th option. Okay. And view responses. In case we've got some responses, we can come here, choose the poll and wait to see responses. Okay, now let's go back to manager practice area to see how we can view the poll. Okay, moving this block. I'm not moving it. Oops. I need to see what's happened in here. I'm not seeing this one. In fact, this poll should be, I think, readjusted. Let's take a look to see what's happened, because now we should see the poll, the question, and the items. Let's do it again. Collaborative course design. Well, here maximum default weight. I'm not sure what it means. Let's create it again or edit it to see what's happened. Okay, things may happen with technology and I'm not very good at this. Good. Collaborative course design. Yes, we've got all here. Point count. I want only 3. I don't want the 4th one. But we can add something to it. Why not? Let's do it. Not at all. Why not? We may want to have 4 responses. Save changes. Excuse me. Okay, let's preview it. Poll is here. Is it our poll? Okay. When we've got this one, probably we should have this block, the poll block, saved with all its characteristics. In fact, here we had a kind of plus to open it and see what's going on in the block. Maybe we can do it after we turn it off. Maybe. Who knows? Wow. It has changed a lot. Something has changed in the format of the course, but it shouldn't create any changes in what we do. Okay, I hope it's not something permanent and we can go back and find our blog to see where it is, because when I go to my own page I cannot find it. Okay, as soon as the problem with the site is over, I can come back and explain again something about blog and see how our poll can appear to other people. Thank you so much for your attention. Goodbye.